Welcome to
Welcome to
PatchWorld.
Patch.
Todd Fiddle invited me, so
Were you?
I got an invite. I'm getting an invite. I joined the session. Well, hello. Can't hear Todd. I don't see.
Have you
Have you
hugged your squanch today?
I did. Why don't I see users here? I see users on my community page. Don't see users here.
I see God, Victor, PatchWorld, and your other thing.
Didn't load for me yet. How many of these takes to crash the app? This is the question.
Your timing is perfect. Your timing right when the workshop starts and people are looking for me. I'm not there. That's awesome. We'll just do this. Let's do this.
Now it showed up. Now it showed up. Oh, you're making my job easier.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's crash it.
Wait, what?
Dude.
No, I want a select tool, not a deselect tool. No, nobody's online. I see only one. No, wait. Todd. You're gonna crash it.
I crash things so much, so hard.
What's up with the people joining? Nobody joins the sesh?
It's not even 7 yet. That's why.
Oh, it's in 5 minutes. Why am I here?
Yeah. I don't know. Well, because I invited you.
I started rolling too early. Ah, you did. I wasn't too. I was checking things, and I was like, I'll check a few things, but then you invited me. Got this.
Mm-hmm.
It's too many of these. Too many of them. It's not even aesthetic.
One person's garbage is another person's gallery.
But why only one is loading? What the hell?
That is weird.
For you also?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, everything else is empty.
Let's delete everything else. It doesn't make any sense. Who needs to spawn more than one?
No, exactly. Unless multiple.
And you have one in the menu. Why would you need? I mean, maybe. Yeah, that's a valid use case. I mean, but 2 is enough to see the issue. You don't need all of them.
Nope, Victor left.
Victor dropped out.
Bzz.
Let's get some jam. Let's get some jam going.
I don't want to have to worry about people like not seeing it when they come in.
Let's study this.
That's why I just sit here. I just sit here until
this is a mean beast.
Until everybody starts talking, because invariably I'll put a bunch of stuff in, and then Raz will come in, throw in some devices, crash the whole thing, and then some kid will come in. What is this about? God damn it!
I'm taking a
course. Not this one. No. This is bad. You
Why?
do this. You use synth instead.
Yeah, it's lighter.
Because. See.
You got stuck for me again. What the hell? What the hell? No, you're not stuck. But you're moving like a bot. Are you a bot? Are you a bot, Todd? $20 jiggles. I'm gonna pay 20 jiggles for it. You good, G?
Huh?
You good, my G?
I fell off. I was scared. Well, I was saying that the reason why is because if you use the other one, you don't hear the poly.
You do if you choose. There's a poly, no?
Oh, it does on this one. Sorry, you're right. You were using it on the.
Maybe
it's not poly on that.
Maybe there's no poly.
No, I'm not on the. No, not on QBeast.
Can I have a look? I'm gonna have a look. Forgot.
Go look.
Sound models.
And Synthi is quiet.
There's mono mode, and there's not mono mode.
But when you play it, it doesn't play this anything but just.
Yeah.
But do you hear how quiet this is? Why is it quiet?
There's a level out volume.
Yeah, it's up.
It's pretty good. I don't know. I think things should be rather quiet than loud, to be honest. I think also there's a problem.
No, I agree with you, but I just why is it not consistent? That's all.
Between each other, yeah. The thing also, there's a limiter, a master limiter, and if you hit it, then you stop being able to really tell the difference because you're hitting a limiter.
It's Quincy.
Yo, hello.
Are you Bublik?
Hanumanate. I'm Bublik.
It's Boris.
Yes, okay.
He's all the names. He's all the names.
I was never sure.
I'm swapping.
DJ swap a tap.
I mean, I'm going to open this for a second.
Swap.
I'm opening something. And then where is it speaker? Where's the speaker?
Oh,
there's the speaker.
That's a well-used
speaker.
preset.
Wait, I'm going to make this larger. Things that people are going to come in, it's going to be open.
I know. Your timing is always awful.
Am I early?
Maybe do it later.
No, not yours. This guy. He'll come in. First workshop, first world I ever did. He came in and he was like, "Why you got this? Erase." I'm like, I spent 3 hours working on that. No, erase. Oh, whoops, I broke it. Oh, and then there's like 12 people waiting at the door. What happened?
But it ended up better.
This guy happened. He happened. Yeah, see what I'm saying? It's weird. It's not even giving you a gain or anything.
You're right. It's also, I'm doing like, I'm ruining it now by, it's down and I'm making it up.
Yes. There we go. That works.
The fix should be inside, not like this. This is going to make it sound more...
distorted?
I mean, I don't know, we're losing some data for sure because it's low and then we're just pulling it back up. But I don't know actually what's the bit depth in PatchWorld. Good question. I don't know. It's not 32-bit.
You said it's clipping. Yeah, why is it? Where am I going?
I hear these harsh attacks that are kind of clippish.
Because it is quiet, but now, so we should bring it up from the source, but I kind of brought it up back later, so now it could be also affecting the sound. I don't know. It could be nice to compare. I can do it later.
I'm just taking it out.
You can also ungroup the thing, just ungroup it.
It's a weird thing though. Every time I open the menu,
you can ungroup it because it's a bloody. Are things free for you now? Hanu. I can't pronounce names.
Hanu is good enough.
Hanu.
Call me Tom.
Hanumanati.
Screw it.
Hanumanati.
I'm not.
Yeah, screw it.
Hanumanati.
I'm not secret.
I can't ungroup this, so I can't ungroup this. No, I can't. I'll do it later. Let's do it later.
Yeah, everything's free for me now. I don't know why.
How come? Maybe you bought it.
No.
Well, if you bought it,
but there were things that were available before. They were turned into price things that I never bought.
Like what?
But there's nothing shows up in my menus as having a price on it now.
Like what, for example? Did you buy any toys? Did you buy the weapon? Did you buy the plasma cannon?
I'm sure I didn't do that. No.
You know what's happening? I think when we're in multiplayer, it makes that because I have bought them, and then for you, it kind of buys them. I think that's what's happening.
Well, the fact that I can bring in Synthi. Yeah, exactly. The fact that I can bring
because we have assets
here where not everybody.
When we're joining multiplayer, there's some asset syncing, and I think maybe that's the faulty part.
So the whole marketplace is a total.
Of course. What did you think?
The marketplace is a little bit messed up.
You thought it's going to be perfect from the first.
But there was a thing. I sent you a picture a couple days ago of. Here are these Tiger Master devices that now have prices on them, which I had already bought.
Now about buying
And then-
about buying them, where did you we talk about it? Like you bought them in the world where there's a dancing tiger?
Yes.
That's just a tip. You don't buy them. There's no option to buy them if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. Well, but I copied them and I had them.
That's
And
different.
I could use them.
Yeah, because they were not for sale. They were not for sale actually, and then they became for sale. They were free basically, but they were never supposed to be free. The idea was,
Okay.
it was a hack. Before there was a marketplace, it was a hack for kind of try the idea of selling stuff without
Yes.
without implementing the logic of the restrictions. So,
Yes, I understand that.
but also it wasn't stated
I didn't know
anywhere
at
that
the
you buy
time.
them. I mean, I think Gadi kind of tricked. He's doing that kind of thing. He's experimenting with user journeys and stuff. But if you need vibes, I'm gonna send you vibes.
No, you're good. No, you sent me. I'm fine. But the thing is, right now, there's nothing to buy. Everything is free.
No, that's what I told you. There's a bug now. So just we're gonna fix it, and we know about it. I've seen it before with other people.
Once the bug is fixed, then I have to buy stuff.
Then you have to buy stuff. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Consider it's free for now. It's a sale. It's a sale. But not
Okay.
quite a sale. It's a try. It's a try it, because then it will be. I think it won't see you as you bought it if you spawn it now.
Okay. Well, I appreciate all of that.
But
I'm
maybe
not
you
trying
will
to
be able to
stir up
copy
any
it.
kind
I
of
don't
crap
know.
about this. I'm just trying to understand what
No,
I'm
thank
seeing.
you. It's very
when I'm in
useful.
there.
Your feedback is very precious. Don't You're very verbose. Also, it's amazing. Like I wish every user would write like this.
Very verbose. Okay. Well, I feel like I'm the perpetual problem child.
No,
I'm always
not at
finding
all. You're
things
the
like,
very
here's the
good
thing.
feedback giver, like the precious feedback that you need. That's what you need. And you
That's me.
say sorry, and I'm like, no, thank you. This is good. Please.
Okay.
Sometimes a bit too
Well, good.
verbose, but I'm not like, no, don't hold back. Go for it.
Yes.
He's
Sometimes a bit
verbose.
too verbose.
He's verbose.
Howdy.
Uh-oh. Hi.
I type fast.
Why do we hear ourselves?
Well, that's because our guest friend has got headphones on that's feeding back into your microphone.
I don't have any headphones on.
It's very loud. Your
interesting.
speakers are loud, or what? What device are you on?
I'm on the Quest 2.
Okay.
Interesting.
You sound fine, but the rest of us are now echoing for some reason.
That's weird.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah,
Well, I'm
I'm
glad
gonna
you're here.
try to mute you.
Thank you.
a second.
Yeah. Don't take it personally.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's fine.
It's great. It's nice to see you.
Yeah, we're
You were hand
we're just
tracking.
talking about. Oh yeah, hand tracking.
Oh yeah, no, my controllers broke a long time ago, so I'm kind of stuck with hand tracking.
Are you
which is why I'm
casting?
glad that. Sorry,
Are you casting? By the way,
casting? No.
but you were saying your controllers broke?
Yeah, no, my controllers are broken, so I have to use hand tracking now with every experience. So
Sweet.
it's
So
either
nice.
this or VR chat. Really, I
Oh gosh,
with-
really? Are you
Yeah.
kidding me? There's no other hand tracking apps?
I'm sure there are, but like I don't know them if they
yeah.
are. I think there was a first person shooter where there's hand tracking.
I tried just the simple ones like the Epic roller coasters. Yeah, hand tracking. It recognizes your hands, but your hands can't do anything.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh.
Yeah, there's
So
a
you
lot of
guys-
cool. The cool.
Oh,
Well,
sorry.
well, there's the thing is, I lead the workshop, but usually there's such a diverse group of people. Like Hanu has been around for about 6 months. Is that right?
Oh, 5. Come on, I'm not that old.
DJ Squanchy is one of the main, like he was one
He's
of the
been around
early
for a
people.
long time.
He's one of the early people.
Yeah.
PatchWorld was here 2 years ago.
I'm pretty sure I bought it when it first came out. I just back before multiplayer was a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just
That's cool.
I got overwhelmed with all the patching options, I guess you could say.
If you don't know how the whole framework works, it's definitely like, what do I even start with?
Mm-hmm.
And then
it's also, I'm so used to just like typing stuff on a computer, that it's almost more daunting to like get all these pipes and mix them up. And it almost feels like more work in a way to me. I'm sure it's more engaging once you get into it. It's just hard for me to get into it personally. So I'm interested. I'm glad to be
Anybody
here.
want to see my project?
I'm gonna let a few more people show up. Oh, is it from here? Is it right here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look.
So wow, the community has gotten a lot bigger. Last time
One time only. Limited only. One time only. I set to 1 here. When you press it, it sends out the same time the 0 number to change from 1 to 0, and then you cannot play it again. And that's the whole purpose. So I add 1 here.
It's like a Snapchat.
You need to use this. That sends the value. That sends the value.
So how do you do it the first time? What do I need to do to make it work?
Patch chat.
You've already done it.
If you wanna do it again, you need to set this value to 1, and when you press this button, this activates the sound through the gateway, and it activates the 0 value to the gateway at the same time, so you can play the sound. But if you try again, you won't be able, because the gateway is like blocking the.
Yes, that's how a gate works.
Squatchy, you gotta get.
Stories.
That's how a game works.
I'm so tired.
Squatchy, you're super sassy this morning.
I'm sorry. Amazing patch.
That's the 3 with the plasma cannon for you.
I love it. It's really helping me understand the gate. I struggle myself.
By the way, this is how you can make like ghost stories in a easy way, but it takes a bit longer. But it's easier.
What's your issue with the ghosts again? What was the issue with the ghosts? Because you can trigger them. You can trigger the ghost to play back, and you can also trigger it to stop. And it's actually the playback of it is tied to the. For me, it's tied to the beat somehow.
Can I make an observation? One thing there, PatchWorld. I think what you're doing is you're teaching yourself this amazing piece of logic, but I think you may be overthinking if you're just trying to use it for the ghost use case. Mainly, I'm saying that just because I did this thing for a recent world where all I was trying to do was make it so one ghost at a time was saying stuff, and I just realized that I could trigger with one button, shutting one thing off and turning the next thing on, and so it would never play simultaneously. Yeah.
It's a skeleton.
Leonardo.
There's many ways to do everything.
This is so true.
So
But
when I press,
Hey, PatchWorld too.
What?
Yeah, PatchWorld is doing he's leading the workshop now. I've just foregone. Yeah, I
worry about the gate.
Yeah.
What does that do again?
Yeah, tell us. Oh, there you go. Nice.
I never tried to make blocks physical. To be honest, not too much.
Oh, whoa! And when it hit the plasma, look. Try to. Oh shoot! Put the.
Can I make a bottle?
Edit on again. You should be right.
Touch him's ball in the shooter thing.
Yeah, the bottle does too.
I don't want to see the. Yeah, like this.
Oh, that was sick.
Why does the bottle spin like this? The bottle spins not naturally at all. What?
Oh, that's sick, though.
I blame Leonardo.
It's got a massive face.
okay.
Oh, the thing. Let's make the thing physical.
Oh no! I've done that. You haven't seen my thing. You haven't seen my thing convention. The thing convention puts physics on things and then spawns them on a timer, And so every time a new thing shows up, it runs into the thing from before, and so they all get mad at each other. It's really cool.
By the way, I made different variant of it. It's basically when you press it, you have to wait to be able to, when you press the button again, then you will play this. So when you press the button, you will have to wait until the song passes, and when the song ends playing, when you press it again, this sound will play. So
you're really relying on the patience of people. I think.
Well, also I made a mistake here, so I need to add the gateway also. So it will activate this at the same time. I'm gonna set one end.
So what is?
Look behind
yes, sir. Oh no, what's going on? What are you doing over here? Oh.
Okay, now it should work.
I don't know why it's affecting the shape, the scale size.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Why
So
is
this
it
is-
doing this?
What's happening?
So this is set to 0
Yeah, bring
and this is
another.
set to 1. So
What are you
basically I'm gonna set this to 1, set this to 1 and set this to
Victor
0.
needs to check this out, see if what's
Now I
going on
cannot
with
press
the road.
anything until the egg timer lets me. So I cannot press.
Trying to make something to walk.
Oh, that's so good.
Ah, it's walking.
That's
Making
hilarious.
it walk. That's crazy.
Quack,
That's so
quack, quack.
good. I love it. It's incredible.
It's walking. He's controlling it from
I
here.
love it. I love it.
Wait,
Walk back.
did I made a mistake?
Walk back and forth. Walk, walk, walk. It's like, yeah,
So
we can have
stand
each
on
one
its
of us
head.
can have, it's like a, you know, these robot battles.
Controller.
Battles. And
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
Well,
And knock them
trying
over.
to do with the robots, but
Okay.
nothing would walk.
I'm gonna shoot it.
Never had traction.
Why I want to shoot things? Let's not shoot things.
Walker.
Let's make a giant. Let's make a giant dome. What?
The bowl dome. There it is.
Oh no, it gets captured too often. Wait.
Oh, what happened?
Dude, it's
frozen.
It's Boris. It's Boris again.
Okay.
Wait, and I can't.
By the way, this one is very complicated the way I do it. So I'm gonna set this 1, set this 0,
Yeah, no.
0, and now it should work.
Chaos.
Yeah, can anyone hear me?
Chaos.
Okay. Yeah, no, I
can
think
hear
I
you.
muted myself earlier.
Well, it's funny. Your thing is showing that it's muted right now.
Yeah, I muted you, but now you're talking. Somehow.
I barely spoke.
No, it wasn't. He wasn't muting you because you were saying too much. It was the
The audio
feedback.
issue. It was the audio
yes.
issue.
Yeah, that's all it was.
Because I'm making
no,
a
I was
video
just wondering-
and I was mute.
It's all good. I'm not.
Yeah, sorry.
I understand. I was wondering. I saw someone on here made a whole album with Patch XR. I wonder how they were able to record all that and kind of send it out. You know, like because it's not it's not like a traditional DAW. You know, I'm curious how like that
There's
works.
a few ways.
You know, like how do you record? Yeah.
One way you could just
Yeah,
record.
Was it you who did it?
No,
No, but
I was one.
You were the
I-
one? Okay.
Yeah,
I did one, and then Martin did one.
That's really cool. I love that.
But I don't do it. I do it all. I do it. I do mine all in. I do it all in app.
Yeah, that's what I'm curious about. Like, how would you do that? Hypothetically, like,
Don't touch it.
hypothetically,
No,
'cause
don't
you've
touch
done
it.
Well, a couple of different ways. Like depending on what you're doing, if it's vocals, the trick about vocals is that you have to have all your tracks kind of. You can record them separately and then have them on separate bubble players. You know what a bubble player? So
Yeah.
There's probably a few things that you. But one of the worlds that I've got, actually, all the worlds that you are on the recorder, on the recording, are in PatchWorld currently. So you could go back and see how I did it. And one of the best worlds to check out is a world called Wonder to Life. And what I did was I was able to put the different bubbles on a. I could mute them separately and bring them in separately, but they were always kind of going. The loop was always going, and the cool thing about the bubble player is that you could align the cursor right where you want it to go.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And so that's it. So the bubble player allows you to get the things lined up perfectly, and then you
mixed and mastered it all within the app.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
that's so cool. Holy crap!
And then with the bubble player, you can put effects on things and take the effects off, and yeah,
that's crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty.
That's what I was asking earlier. Is if you could pretty much use it as a DAW in a way.
Yeah,
you know.
I mean, it's definitely. It's like when people learn Ableton for the first time after you've done like GarageBand or Logic for a long time. It's learning a whole new interface.
Yeah.
But for me, it's way more playful and way more like performance based than it is.
Yeah. I could see the appeal of that for sure.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
And that's why I did it. It's just I had more fun with it than if I'm just like.
Can you not touch?
No, Patchy. That's right. If you don't want us to touch it, you got to move it out of the way. I think.
I'm just fascinated how they programmed all this.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, there's a lot of us too that are on here that we're just tinkering.
Yeah.
And we're not sure.
This is a tinkerer's wet dream, basically. This whole.
There's the tagline. There's the tagline. There's the tagline right there.
There's the tagline. Tinker for life.
It could be Tinkerland. Tiki.
So
it's so cool to make it physical.
Oh, that's neat.
No, it's still there.
I think it's finished.
Oh, that's sick.
I think I finished.
No, it's okay.
Maybe it's the fan somehow interfering with my audio.
That would make sense.
But it's far away. It's like on the other end of the room. It's so weird. Maybe I'll put
Meta has a yeah. Sometimes the headphones work better.
Okay.
I've had a problem when I've not been using headphones that it picks up the headset on its own. But also the new updates. I've changed things with the microphone on the Quest, so it might have been that possible.
Yeah, I'm so happy about the new hand tracking.
No, me too.
It was pretty good before, like I'd say about 4 months ago maybe, but it seems better now because you can see the like glowy things near your fingers and stuff. It's awesome.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I didn't notice that before. Maybe it was there and I just couldn't remember.
Whoa!
Okay. Oh man, that's great.
That sound is hilarious. Whoa, whoa. Oh man, that's an instrument. Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
Other way around.
Sorry, I'm trying to. Yeah.
Gosh. Wow. Come on.
How do you not think of that?
Where is it?
How do I hide the lines?
Probably take the headset off.
Put it on a spawner.
What?
What I did in a
Capture it
in another world called. What I tried in a thing. I did a thing convention where I put it on a spawn, and I had the spawn point on a timer, and so they run into each other, and then the physics hit too.
Wait, I'm getting a button. I'm getting a button to do it. Wait.
Get the button.
It's a button?
What?
Is the button? No, not this one. No. What?
No.
Where's the input for this thing?
So yeah, the Wonder to Life is the world. By the way, I'm not hearing the thing anymore.
Oh, good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you great.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah, now it's good.
Awesome. Sorry.
Yeah, the Wonder. No, it's fine. But the Wonder to Life world is the one you want to study. But the thing you have to do, because I've hidden all everything, is that you want to you have to go in and put it in edit mode so you can see all the behind the scenes stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
And a lot of times people have hidden like groups of stuff. So sometimes you'll be like, there's still nothing here. So you have to go up onto something. Like for instance, go up onto a thing, and then it'll say open, or it'll say ungroup when you press the context specific thing.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, neat.
So.
Yeah. I don't know how to do that with hand tracking, but I'm sure it's possible.
Oh, good. No. The hand tracking thing. Oh, by the way, you obviously know how to move with hand tracking because you just did. But the way to do it with hand tracking. Let me see if I remember here. So if you want to, it's looking at your I remember that looking at your hand, with your hand and your finger and your pointer gets you to the menu. Yeah, that's the menu, and it closes it and opens the menu. But then, if you want to do context specific for the device itself or whatever, or put it in edit mode, I think it's middle. It's middle. Yeah, it is middle finger.
Yeah.
And middle finger and thumb. It's your middle finger, you see.
Well, I can make different ones.
Cool.
Leonardo, maybe you know.
What is this?
You know about the field block?
What about it?
Pick it up.
You know how it has a mode where it says, do you see the inspector? If I open inspector?
Yep.
Do you see the trigger mode, the jolt?
Now, how to
Where's the jolt? Where's the jolt input?
Right? Yeah, that's a good question.
If they figured that out, they're geniuses.
Right in the
Way to say
dial.
that.
Well, they tried and it's not doing anything.
Let's see if you can let go.
Yeah, I had issues. I don't know if it issues.
Okay.
Has anyone tried?
Show a value and
Hey, Tom, are you still here?
how much the field you want.
Who?
Whoa,
Tom who?
you,
In the dial.
Anu.
Hello.
Have you ever drawn with a pencil with hand tracking
Not
before?
doing anything.
Not with hand tracking, no.
Because I know that. Oh, I just did. When you have it in your hand, you have to have your finger and your thumb touching.
Oh,
right.
that's genius. I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, that's the press thing.
There you go. Is it a drawing for you?
Useful.
Yeah,
Sorry?
that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I just want to know if
But I can't grab it and move it. Hey.
Oh, no way. That's fucking awesome. All right.
Yeah, isn't that great?
Yeah.
And you're left-handed.
Well,
Yeah, pretty cool, right? I'm left-handed too. Yeah.
Nice.
hey, Zuck.
Okay.
Here's something for you.
Zuck?
Yeah.
What?
Zucky.
Oh.
Where's the bubble coming
Check out
from?
that photo. Why is it like that? Why is it so, weird?
Ooh.
Is that a render texture?
No, I just took a picture with this camera right here.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's what came out. I haven't seen that effect before.
That's so cool. Yeah, the background effect is amazing.
Yeah, I don't know why that.
What is that?
Oh, here we go.
What camera? I don't see a camera.
This one right here.
Oh yeah. That's it?
Oh,
Where's oh, you were just on the first style, and that's it?
Here's. Yeah.
Whoa.
okay.
It's like it's
Whoa.
I goofed around with it a little
incredible
bit,
looking.
but I don't know why it did
That's
that.
really great. Hey, Boris. Have you seen this kind of effect on camera before? When it's where it's blurring the background.
It's like a bouquet thing.
It's like
It's a 3D.
field of depth of field kind of thing.
Yeah,
wasn't
exactly.
trying to
But
do
that's new. That's new. I've never seen that.
How do I spawn?
Usually it's just flat. Oh, with okay. So on your you got to go back to your menu. You know, by looking at your
Because
finger, looking at your palm, and
I
touching
think
your
it's because
thumb
the
and
background is the
and your
3D
pointer.
image,
And then when you go up to the top,
360 image.
Oh,
go up to the top
okay.
where it says create. Where it says create, you got to click on create.
It says settings.
Discover. Okay, you're in settings. Go over where when you're looking to your menu and you're seeing your username, then it says discover.
Oh, discover. Okay. Yeah.
Go to create. Go to create, and that's where all your instruments and stuff are.
Okay. It doesn't seem to be letting me for some reason. Oh, there we go. Okay, it just takes a second. My bad.
It would be good if you log in.
Cameraman.
Okay.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's the other point. If you're logged in, then you actually can store things and actually put things in a web portal. But if you're not logged in yet, that'll.
Yeah, I thought it would log me in automatically, but
Try the meta login. Like if you go to your profile, click on the guest, and then log in. It will ask you to log in, I think.
okay.
And try the meta login. It should work, but actually, what version do you have of the app? I guess it's I don't know.
Well, I just re-downloaded it to come on here.
Okay. Because it should log in. Sometimes
I
there's
assume the
issue
newest
with the.
version.
Sometimes there's issue with the internet connection. If it's not, sometimes it's I don't know.
Okay.
It's not logging in on the first go.
Yeah, I'm clicking guest and it's not opening up anything.
Oh.
It's trying to. That's okay. I'll go without it for now.
All right.
I have a tendency to recreate stuff from the just to practice, you know. So if I make something cool, I'll just recreate it in the future and probably make it better the second time around.
True, but some things take so long.
Using that, so.
True. Yeah, I can imagine actually on here too. Especially if it's really elaborate, you know.
Yeah.
Oh wow, a lot of cool stuff. Fuck yeah.
Yeah. What do you see?
Nobody's using that.
The jolt looper, that's new. I don't remember seeing that here
Yeah,
before.
that's a cool thing.
That's my favorite thing. That's my favorite thing. It actually, any. In fact, it was funny. Squanchy and I were trying to come up with a way to, because there's a ghost where you can record your performance.
Right.
It's like if you just wanted it to record the jolt itself, we didn't have that capability. And then I was telling him, let's try to make something up. And like about a week later, God, one of the other content creators made it.
Oh,
And I
no
was
way.
like, oh, well, there you go.
Can I make it so my tip of the controller is physical? So when I hit stuff, it hits them?
You make the things punchable. You make the things punchable.
How?
You got to go up to here, and then
That's for me. That's me. That's mine. That's for the player.
Oh,
Melody sequencer.
why am I attached to that thing now? Am I hittable?
Which thing?
Yeah.
Let's all fall.
I hope
Let's all
so.
just fall.
I've become
hope so.
physical.
Yeah, I made us physical.
I
You
got
affected
physical.
everyone.
Physical. Physical.
Let me delete it.
Listen to
You
your
got
body talk.
punchable.
Yeah,
You've
go
got
for it.
punchable.
Oh, ow.
I want to
it
get
hurts so much.
punchable.
Oh,
It's not actually.
mercy.
You're not
mercy.
moving anywhere.
I thought
Well,
everything is
Leonardo and I
punchable. Wait,
made
how do
the,
you make it punchable? Wait, there's no punchable. There's throwable. You need to make
There
it
was
hittable.
Yeah.
You need to make hittable.
But then, make hittable, and then make hittable. You can make punchable.
I think punchable just means go through it or hit.
There's no punchable. There's throwable.
There's hittable.
No, but then there's punchable.
Hittable.
There is hittable. There's punchable.
There is punchable.
Let's get hittable.
I told you.
Hittable. I want to get hittable.
This is kind of cuckoo, I'm telling you. All these settings.
No, it's just like right here. It's a thing.
Oh, yeah. Now I tap it and it goes. That's what I wanted to do to the thing. Where's the thing? Where's that thing? There's that thing.
Yeah, you just... This whole time I've been telling you all about this. I made a world that did all this.
Make hittable.
Because then you spawn 2 of them.
I think that's where I stole the idea. I think I saw it in your world.
Yeah, I've been telling you in this world, in this session, what I've been doing. Go back and watch the video, and you'll be like, "Oh yeah, he said it 15 minutes ago."
Pass it.
You silly dolt!
Yeah, I'm sorry.
No, this thing is hittable. Hittable.
Hittable.
It's ball.
He's really the thing is hittable.
Sends out a jolt.
The thing is hittable.
Crazy.
He's synthable. That looks amazing, Leonardo. Oh my gosh! Look, you guys! Look at this! Look at the!
If you go all the way through,
look at the dolly. The dolly turn.
Good call.
On the. Isn't that amazing?
The lines don't hide.
My God.
It even has transparency. That's fucking crazy. That looks so good.
We're in a space between dimensions.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, Victor here?
There it is.
Where's Victor? Hey, Victor.
That's how I do it. Oh no. Shit.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, Victor.
Indeed. Hello.
Victor.
You're right.
I just included 1,000 repeat objects in the Viz thing today. Yeah, thank you.
Hey, Victor can figure out why these change scale sizes. Ooh, those changes the
I'm just gonna make another. So there you go. There's yours.
Quack.
Did you just get done?
Setting me on editor. It keeps setting me on editor for no reason. I don't want to be an editor.
It's too late. You're already editing.
Right.
Where's the make hittable again? Make hittable.
It's in a group. You can ungroup it.
Wow.
There's one right here.
And I want to do it like this. Wait.
Hey, what is that thing anyway? That sphere thing there, DJ Squanchy.
Which? This
The
thing?
thing you're playing with.
What?
Yeah.
This is called the
This
thing.
thing?
This is called the thing.
This? This is Dutch Im's thing.
I mean this thing.
Not the thing.
Okay.
The thing, not a thing.
Works.
The
This
thing.
is called the thing.
Hey, does anybody want to see it?
Ah.
I'm watching. Let's see. Let's squanch it and watch it. What you make? Oh, that's great.
That's neat.
Love it.
5 CGI vibes, yo.
This guy. I wouldn't want to meet him in a dark alley.
This is some motorcycle. Or is it a...
Chainsaw?
I think it's a camera rig.
Motorcycle.
That's right.
No. It's a
that would be
ski jet.
Oh my
Jet
God,
ski.
Leonardo! Imagine if you had like a hand.
Like oh, this is neat.
Effect to it.
Like a hand.
Blair Witch Project. You know what that is? Like a like a handheld mic. You know, so you're, but it's on automation, so it has this crazy like.
PatchWorld found footage.
I made it so you can lock it in process.
Isn't that amazing?
move it, he won't move like in
The walker?
gravity space. You can move him like this.
That's funny.
Did you invite the
No, there was
GBH or
Leonardo
is just
did.
online with the computer maybe? It's not Patchy, it's GBH. Yeah, it's on the computer.
Edit.
Not coming.
On high. On.
It's another means of motivation.
Is the rotins?
Open. Hide this. Hide this.
Somebody's calling somebody.
Why is it blue now? The sky is blue now for me, suddenly.
Oh, I just
Did it for you
I
also?
changed it. I changed it.
Cool. Is it blue?
Yeah, I changed it. It was, yeah. I turned
Now
it.
it's
Even with
now
just,
it's
I just using the rotors,
now it's cloudy.
just with nothing else in it. The rotors
Yep.
Already in.
I added those two things.
they're getting all weird. They get weird shaped.
How?
And if you keep going real far,
Oh.
they'll get giant and shoot off somewhere.
I want to make a confetti gun.
Can I open it?
Yeah, it's on the
Oh.
roof. Just
PatchWorld is doing some stuff.
group that. You can take this guy right out of
Do you like my badge, Victor? I'm the official
Oh, that's
PatchWorld sheriff.
Resize it all. So it gets too far. Get the right one.
Photojournalist here.
Should do it all.
We're in edit mode.
Selfie?
Yeah, it was just for show.
Just for show? What are you talking about? As if just for show isn't good enough?
Yeah, it was just to see if I could get it to follow.
Yeah.
Follow it.
Yeah.
So
Almost look like little cassette players, right? Don't they?
That's why I'm just getting this guy to...
Oh my god!
Don't hit Victor. Don't hit Victor.
Oh, it glitches.
Whoa,
Wow. Wow.
it's blowing up.
Sometimes this happens when you use like the motors. That's the problem.
Whoa.
Is the hittable in there?
This
What's
is crazy. I love that.
We have to climb up to them, down, and stuff like that.
what's going on?
You sit there on the side.
Bless you.
Soon tight.
Thank you.
Big microphone. Gets really crazy. It's great.
I gotta say, there's a device that you can do whatever you want with that.
What's making the audio?
Pretty sure it's this ball thingy that's spinning.
Oh, this is
Still the thing?
Maybe these things are hitting a hit.
oh yeah. It's
Where
hitting
is
the
it?
ball.
There it is. There it is.
It was moving at the speed of light, and the audio's now catching up.
Leonardo, what if you took a equal? What if you took an equal rectangular image off the camera from the cameraman, and then put it on a ring? Would you get a patch inside of a patch? Do you know what I mean? Oh, I guess that's all it would be. It would just be like if you could put it in the inside of a sphere, and it would just be the 360 live 360 again. That's all it would
Does
be.
anyone mind if I?
But then it could be like. But then you could resize it, so it wouldn't just be 360. It could be, you could go into,
Shape it, yeah.
you could go into it and make it smaller.
Inverted ball.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which would be crazy.
Cool. Just the interaction is really neat as well.
Oh, that's it. That was one thing I was going to tell you. What? I'm sorry. What is your name, or what do you go by in here?
You can just call me cigarette.
Because you only have guests.
Yes, just cigarette.
Oh,
is
you
fine.
Oh, it's you. Sorry, I didn't know it was you.
Sorry.
J Force?
Yeah, that's me. Yeah.
I didn't know. Yeah, you didn't say, so I didn't assume.
Are you talking to me or the bone guy? You're looking at the bone guy.
I'm talking to you.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah. I'm the.
Oh my god.
I'm the step sequencer guy.
Go away.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, this is so laggy. Oh my god. I feel like I'm about to crash. Move. Jeez.
Having trouble swimming around.
Oh, Space Invader, what's going on, dude?
Yo, I haven't seen you in ages.
I know, it's been a long time, man.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah, my birthday's in 3 days.
Let me see, are you gonna be 10?
9.
9, nice.
Oh my god, all I hear is like bass.
Oh, it's this guy. It's this guy. It's the thing.
Jesus.
He's just likes talking.
Ooh, cool. I could change the value just by doing this.
The camera.
Whoa, down.
Oh yeah. So I was gonna tell you.
Downhill from here.
Well, that's definitely not going to get annoying.
I was gonna tell you that you can do a thing where oh hey.
Where's that music coming from? What?
Is that your tape?
This is Chicago
is that
song.
a tape there, Leonardo?
I have no idea what's going on.
That's nice. Oh yeah, there it is.
It fucking annoys me. I don't wanna select.
What? Oh, you can just do that.
How do I delete this? What the fuck? Okay, I'm fucking getting it.
It's a mini workout.
Bublik is over here.
Why it keeps
Playing a
selecting
box.
that shit? I don't wanna select that. Why it keeps selecting this? Somebody delete
What is
it.
going on?
That is a Chicago song.
Because I cannot select those two.
There's so much stuff going on.
I cannot even
There's a lot
delete this. Was it there?
There's a lot of people that are.
Was it there?
It's okay.
Is it
okay.
group?
It's okay.
Is it good?
There's too much going on. I must depart.
Is this made for Quest
I bid you
3?
farewell.
My Quest 2 is
It was fun.
going insane.
Till later.
Yeah, it was good. It was a good session. Thanks for coming.
I'm telling you this shit. Finally.
This. Oh.
Finally I can select that. Yes. Okay.
I can't wait to feed this video to my new toy.
Yes. What'd you get?
I made like a thing where this video, first of all, can transcribe it, so get the text,
What is that?
and then you get the
Oh,
text. Then, but the text with timestamps.
What is that?
Yeah, the timestamps.
What is that thing?
Nice.
So then you take
Doesn't
this
YouTube
and
do that?
and you give it to LLM. You tell it, here's my timestamps. Can you make 10 short videos from this? And it gives me the timestamps, and then you edit the video according to that. Basically, you can edit video with LLM. You can tell it, "Can I have that part when we talked about the jolt, whatever?" And then it's that video.
I've read all about that. Yeah, I've read all about that stuff. It's so cool. I love that. Mind blowing.
It makes videos like
it
20
changes
videos, another 20 videos, another 20 videos, another 20. But not so quality. But
So
I
insane.
mean, it's gonna get better. I mean, it's crazy.
No, exactly. Yeah.
liking
Well,
so
and
hard.
if you know what you're looking for specifically, it'll put something.
Yeah, if you know how
It'll make the cuts. Yeah, it'll make the cuts you want.
Yeah.
You gotta check out and help me figure out how to get the best quality for my 360 videos, because I wanted to get the visual synth. I wanted to get the visual synth going.
Yeah, you kind of in the mic.
In the standalone,
You kind of inside the mic.
I know that's true.
Can we step somewhere? Maybe here?
Meow.
Is somebody spawning stuff? Because my quest is
Yes.
like
Yes,
lagging
people
to
have
death.
been spawning stuff. Can we select everything, delete?
No, I have the thing
I
to make.
can start
have
it.
this thing
I
to
can
make.
start it. I gotta start. I'll start a new session, you guys.
You think?
I think this is
You
made
can
for
join me
quest
if you
3. Yeah,
Trust
quest 2
me,
is
it
not
was
for
made.
this.
It was made for Quest 1 back in the
Quest
day.
one? Jesus.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just they added a lot more on top of it.
Guys, we're going to the new empty one, but it's not there yet. Let's wait.
I'm gonna finish this project before joining.
No problem.
Well, the audio is going like
Copy
weird.
paste it.
Okay.
You?
I don't have
I'm
it.
making something.
Ow, ow,
If
ow.
I make this, then
Do, 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 do.
I need to make this. I really wanna
Ronaldo?
make this.
Do, do,
Oh, you
do,
mute ID.
do, 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 do.
Why I cannot do anything now? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do you need
like-
the preset
I feel-
manager?
like how was this made for quest 1 and now it's like quest 4-ish? You know, that is not a thing.
It is kind of quest 4-ish. Where is the quest 4?
Bro, quest 4 isn't even a thing. It's still probably laggy on quest 3, mate.
Sequence loop.
Oh, excuse me.
Quest 4-ish is.
I mean,
I
I'm a-
love it. But where's quest
I have
5?
to let go one then the other. Because
I
Quest
got
6 when?
Maybe Ray-Bans. Quest on the Ray-Bans. That's what I want. Todd Fatal invited me. Let's go over there.
Wait.
A new, nice, empty world.
Well, I mean, I've been an elementary school teacher for about 7 years now, and so I realized that kind of my aesthetic is I'm just if people have fascinations, then I let them follow them.
Oh, of course. I wasn't.
Yeah, no, and so no. Nope. Somebody spawned something in already.
What? Who's the
Question mark.
Who doing stuff
Oh,
like this?
The question mark
Yeah,
is pink.
don't start spawning stuff in, please.
It's just one block
Don't
though.
start-
It's just one block. It's
Is
just
it
one
yours?
block. It's
Is
just
it
one
yours?
block. Yeah,
Is
yeah.
that
It's
you?
just one block. Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
It's just block. It's just one block. It's okay.
Ow.
It does nothing. There's no. It's just one block.
Ow, God, this hurts.
Oh, that's cool. Giant one.
Kinda.
I love that. That's really cool. The animation.
Big ass.
Where you at? What's going on?
Over there.
What's going on, Space Invader?
Oh, yeah, my right foot has a disability, and it's like hard to take my trainer off. I was just trying to do it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, hurt.
I was gonna tell you, J Force or Cigaretto or however.
Which
What
are
these
that-
buttons do?
So
Oh,
in
they'll change it.
one of the best things that work
more
with hand
buttons.
tracking I found is the interaction box.
Why are there so many buttons?
And what you end up having is something that can shoot out. If you
What are you
go into
doing?
edit mode, it'll show you all the different things. If you hover over your hand over these different things, what is sending out? It's sending out. If your left hand's present, your right hand's present. Your left trigger, your right trigger. Obviously, trigger is your fingers going together. Your position X, Y, and Z of both hands. So you can build an instrument, or there are instruments that are already this way. But like if you just want to move things, let's say you want to have this into a controller that controls an asset or whatever, and you just want to go left, right, whatever, and you can just move it. You don't have to have a joystick. You don't have to have, so you can start working with things like that.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So I've been making puppets with interaction boxes and stuff, which is really, really cool. 'Cause
neat.
then you could
Make like
'cause then you
little
could
animation software almost.
Oh, the whole thing! I've made some crazy animations with this, and Leonardo and I have made this animation thing that's based on the bubble player. So it listens to the levels of the bubble, and moves the like head and eyes and jaw accordingly.
That's
so you
neat.
so all you have to do is do a voice performance, and the puppet responds live.
I was thinking of doing something similar with like a string value in Unity, where
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
remember
where
how-
it like records everything in an array in like seconds and like where. But I haven't really messed with it yet.
Well, people like Victor would be people you'd want to talk with because Victor's done stuff like that, and
just
he's
in
here.
the background.
But God's done a whole data array video on YouTube, I think, so that if if you want to like do some research on that, that would be the first step that I would take if I was.
Well, I'm curious how arrays and stuff work in PatchWorld. Because I did try and play around with them before. I just couldn't understand how everything connects, you know?
Oh, yeah. I was going to tell you, Victor, this Cigaretto is working in VR chat. He made the first sequencer in VR chat.
I'd say the first advanced sequencer. Some people have made like a very rudimentary, more like a drum machine.
Why is everything black?
Why
is everything
before
black?
the Udon Sharp or C Sharp version, so they used like triggers and stuff like that. This one uses Udon Sharp, which is pretty much just C Sharp, just with some limitations. And yeah, it's very advanced. I call it a QTAR because it's more focused on planning ahead and then launching the sequence that you made.
Okay.
You
there's
making a puppet show?
There's two different modes. There's
Okay,
Q mode
yes, you are making a
and
puppet show.
non-Q mode. And when you're in Q mode, you get to kind of like make a hypothetical pattern. It's really neat. And then you could switch it, kind of thing.
Yeah, you definitely are. So.
Oh.
Oh, cool. I didn't know
Yeah.
you could make such advanced stuff
I kind
in VR
how-
chat.
Yeah, I seem to be the only one
I never knew they had a C-sharp
messing around with stuff like
scripting
that.
language.
Sorry?
I never knew they had such a C-sharp support as a scripting language.
Yeah, they call it Udon Sharp, but it is pretty much just C Sharp. Like they're calling it their own thing, probably for protection reasons, so people don't abuse it, right? Because it is a multiplayer setting.
But that's brilliant.
Yeah.
You can like generate audio with this?
They won't be.
Not. So I found a workaround for this. That's kind of the whole creativity, because you can't generate audio through a string value, for example. But you can import your own tiny waveform and program your own ADSR, which is what I'm going to do.
No.
And also I'm going to have kind of like overlays of different waveforms that you can sort of, turn, almost like, you ever try Massive, the synth Massive?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Okay. Well, with Massive, there's different oscillators, and you kind of turn. It's almost like you're turning up either a sine wave or a triangle wave or a saw wave or whatever. I'm basically going to have all those sine waves playing all at once, and you can kind of mix and match them and make a unique synth noise that way.
I'm not a good person at PatchWorld.
You can make your own Massive
I just
in
got
here.
it like a year ago, and I still don't understand anything.
True.
I haven't played it
Yeah.
for so long.
I just
Well,
think,
so
I
I'll tell
guess,
you what. If you
Massive
ever
is so
have
good.
a question
Massive sounds
or
really
you
good.
want to do something specific,
Yeah,
I can
it
tell
is.
you a video you can go.
I haven't
watch
tried
to
Serum
help you with
yet,
that.
but
you have to figure out what you want to do first. 'Cause
less,
I think
actually,
that's the
it's
biggest
less
problem
warm.
with
I
a lot
find
of
it's
people. They
more
don't know what they want to
digital
do
sounding,
first.
but also very versatile. You can do anything.
And so
I guess.
when you figure it out, like,
Oh,
I
really?
like this, then I could say, oh, go to this world, check that out. Go to this world, watch this video.
yeah, it's
and then you'll learn.
8x16
I've
step
been in the same
sequencer.
place.
Each
I've
row
done this
represents
for only 2 years.
a different sample kind of thing.
I mean, I'm not
Can you
really,
try it? Where is
Yeah.
it available?
I'm not really like a
It's on VR
programmer,
chat
so
right now.
I'm more like
neither.
the
I was thinking of making a standalone version
I'm
of these instruments and stuff.
I'm a teacher.
Because it is
I'm a
C-sharp,
music
and it would
teacher.
be relatively
opened
I'm not
Open
somebody
somebody
that
open a
does
group. Okay.
coding or anything like that.
Yeah, I'm just like
interesting.
amusing.
Can you publish it like, and monetize it, or is it for open public?
I'm thinking of. I was considering selling it for a little while, but now I'm thinking of making it
don't know how to do it.
donationware.
Okay.
Hey, do you wanna get on? Do you wanna get on? Now wait, let me make the space bigger. Open.
He was writing it because he can't put the field on it.
Put it in.
It's
Why
like
is
Put a
everything
bunch of multiply and then
department store
No,
toys that have the
the
little
Why
other
is
way
everything
the
different colours?
coin operated thing.
because somebody opened the group.
Oh. PatchWorld to me is just
it's a
like
good idea.
chaos.
Hey, do you wanna get in? Hey, get in.
Oh, I
get
can
in.
also, I could just,
in.
How?
I'll make one.
Face like this,
Oh yeah,
face-
Messi would
face
be
this
amazing
way.
because it could get
Okay.
really
Get in.
messed up.
Don't move anything.
That's a great idea. I'll do that.
Oh, what? The...
Oh wait.
Ooh.
It doesn't-
Are you generating that,
get on,
Tom?
Get on.
Yeah.
Are you in?
It's just like. No.
Now there's
You
in
need
your
to get
multiplier
on
block.
him.
This we don't need.
Do I like select
Wait.
it?
And we need the
No, you
envelope.
need to turn off. You need to go in front of him and lock yourself in. So you
this
you
envelope.
don't press anything.
You
You
like
just
that,
go near
Victor?
him, then don't press anything, and then stay in this place where he is. Hey, let me open.
Take
Let me
a
open
pad.
real quick so I can save. Who keeps turning it off? I just wanna make this bigger.
But yeah, I'm thinking of making a whole framework to make it easier for to make
Okay,
instruments
now it works.
for VR chat.
Okay, it's
It
what.
is-
You
Make
need to
stuff
go to
for
play
me,
mode. Go to play
man.
mode. Go to play mode. Play mode.
Play
Go to play
mode?
mode. Yeah, play mode. Hold the button.
PatchWorld.
Wait.
Yeah,
Okay, hold this button.
I need
Hold
edit
this
mode.
button
Yeah,
and
I
swipe
see the
and
menu.
swipe down. Swipe down.
Time.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the
mostly
side.
just observing this time around, just because it's a little
Well,
bit more tough
you
without
hit it.
controllers.
You need to grab.
But
You need
it's
to do it when not.
fascinating.
Play,
See?
play.
Okay. Okay. Now get in. Get on him. Okay. Are you on him?
What? It didn't work.
But you need to be closer. You need to be, look. You need to be closer to that part and move a little bit back. Move
this
backwards.
one.
Move backwards a bit. Okay. Let's see if it works.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Wait, I'm gonna
What is-
go. Wait, the space
Who's
got
on the
smaller
roof?
again.
Who
What
turned
is
on
that
the-
thing? That cage thing?
Okay.
Gigabucks.
My little pony.
Oh.
My little pony.
Oh,
Yeah, man. The
hide it.
PatchWorld team made an engine within an engine. That's so crazy to me.
Okay.
Hey, you ever
I
hear
mean,
about the
somebody
guy
done that in, like, a
supposedly,
mobile game.
Made a whole computer in was it
Minecraft, I think. Yeah, I heard about that. Yeah.
Hey,
But
yo,
can it
hey,
run
yo,
Doom?
Where are you? Where are you? The guy.
A
Hey,
working
the guy
computer,
now. Hey, is
Yeah,
it you?
it's
Okay.
amazing.
Go
It's
on
amazing.
him like
I've seen
this.
it.
Go on him. Go on him. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this should work. Okay. And don't press anything.
I made a calculator in here.
You gotta
Well,
be in play mode. He's gotta be in play mode, dude.
That's a
doesn't
type of
work?
computer. It computes.
Gotta be in.
That's really neat.
Why it doesn't work for you?
I mean, like, somebody made
Are
a
you on-
3D, like, somebody
Are
made
you on play mode?
like, somebody made a whole software, like a 3D software in a 2D game that you're not even meant to be programming.
Oh, that sounds
Construct
awesome.
2? Was it
Let's make
Construct
that into
2?
a bubble.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Record that
there you
into a
go.
Oh,
bubble.
my
Okay, how
God.
do I
Oh my-
reset? Guys, I'm
No,
upside
no.
down.
I'm
How do I
alive.
No,
reset it?
Victor just brought in a skybox.
Guys, I'm upside down.
Didn't you
How
do
do I
that?
reset
Ooh.
it? How do I reset it? How do I reset it?
nice,
I'm
though.
upside down.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, if you get signed
okay,
in, if
like
you sign yourself in on the web portal, you can actually pay a couple of vibes in it and get your own skybox that's text based.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
So-
and it'll add it to your library.
Like, what do you mean text-based? Like, it'll make
Well,
a custom...
like you say, the ocean, and then it'll actually make an ocean.
Oh, it's using, like, AI or something, right?
Yeah, it's
That's so cool.
generative AI skybox.
Yeah, that's
I need to
neat.
sit down for a sec. Jeez, my legs are in pain. At least you don't need to like smack your arms on the floor to play.
Okay, are you in play mode? Are you in play mode? Oh, you're in. Okay, stay like this, you're in. Oh, see? It worked.
It worked.
It worked for Amon. Okay, wait, you need to pee. Wait, because I can't take this shit off.
Whoa!
Okay.
This plane is going insane.
What are you doing? What is happening?
I don't know what I did.
What are you doing?
Oh my god!
I don't know
Stop
what I'm doing.
Who keeps touching it?
Stop it.
Okay, go there, go like this.
I'm gonna get off of it.
I need
Okay.
some.
I don't know what happened. Sorry if that was
I hit
me.
my couch.
Alright.
What was that?
It's a
Oh my
cage.
god,
What
the
are you
plane!
doing?
The plane, boss. The plane.
Why
No!
you keep doing that so? It's getting.
It's the app where you try to. It's the app
So
where.
lucky that I
It's
cannot
the app
delete
where you
it.
try to make music while people troll you.
And
Yeah, that's it.
keep changing
It's
the
it. If you get a song, it's a miracle.
Chaos.
PatchWorld, PatchWorld. If you
Hey,
make music,
you again,
it's a miracle.
You again.
No, with,
Go on
I mean,
him,
yeah,
go
with
on him
people.
like
I mean,
this,
that's
and
not
don't
the
move.
idea of
Go like this.
It's just a session.
More down. Go
No,
more
it's
down.
about fun
More
and,
down. Okay.
stuff. No, I'm just saying.
What's with this? Why is it still recording?
Okay.
You were just trying to record.
3, 2,
Yeah, I don't
1.
know. I was done with it. Was it recording?
It was recording the whole time.
Why isn't it playing?
PatchWorld is just like.
No.
chaos
I'm gonna head out, but it was nice to
Why does it keep fucking
nice
doing
to
this?
Why isn't
see
it
everything in
playing?
action.
So if you want, if you again, if you get clarity around like I want to do this, and this,
Big.
I'll give you world recommendations and video recommendations that will you can figure out.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, sure. I might have. I'm gonna wait until I get my controllers back or get new controllers.
I made him bigger this time. This time you should be on.
Hi,
But
yeah,
yeah,
what's up?
I can't. I'm gonna kill myself.
No!
I'm going to a private server and remake this. Okay, bye.
Bye. See you later, bro! Why do you not mention that, guys? PatchWorld is just like multiplayer coding.
Okay.
So when he comes in,
Oh,
Oh,
send Arya there.
off he goes.
that's nice.
He's just a little bit like, really, I have to do this. I'm like, you're right.
Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up.
He-
This video's getting long.
Come on, help me.
One hour,
he's crushed.
1 hour video.
She won't know.
Yeah, I've only seen her a few times, right?
Yeah, well, she's usually
Interesting.
always so great. So if she's here, send her down.
Yeah, I will.
Magic the plane. Magic the plane. I know.
What is this?
It's not playing.
Either
You
use
fly into
the
another dimension.
right controller or the left one, but not both at the same time.
Right.
PatchWorld is just like.
I should make a better
multiplayer chaos.
version.
Why did everybody go?
Use the trigger on your right hand.
Oh, I need to use this to turn the engine on, no? Yeah.
Also, the right trigger should work.
The right trigger. Yeah.
This one is a bit heavy to fly.
It's fun. We flew away from the guys. Where are they? Oh, there they are. I'm gonna stop.
It's really nice to just spawn the plane and just having it work in multiplayer, just like this.
Yeah. Together
So
with
all
the
this,
synthesizers and everything, all the rest, and then a plane also.
Yeah, the first one I spawned it, but PatchPod enter its group at the same time, so my plane was inside this group.
Whoa!
Hello. Oh, nice landing.
Whoa! I managed. Psh. I kind of slammed into the floor, into the ground, and it worked.
Wow.
What happened?
Yeah.
Who keeps glitching? Who keeps glitching?
Please
Guys.
stop.
Nice
Whoa.
session, guys.
Stop it, please.
Good
Yeah.
My quest
That's
is
what
about
stop
blow up.
Oh no.
My quest is
That's
about
what she
blow
said.
up. Oh my god.
Nice to see you,
Good
Todd.
grief, you
Oh,
guys.
come on. I know that
This was a
hero.
more
to see you,
chaotic than
PatchWorld.
normal, but I'm
Nice to see you, Pet.
You know, I'm
sorry
good.
for being annoying.
one of the things.
How am I being annoying?
No,
I'm
no, the
I'm
other
the
way
annoying
around.
one.
He's
I'm the annoying
apologizing.
PatchWorld is just like
And the only
chaos
reason
and
why
coding
the only reason
combined.
why he's annoying to you guys are annoying each other is because PatchFraud, you're Boris's inside voice.
We're on some way of
I feel like this
wavelength.
is an inside
We're on
joke.
some part of the phase
Yes.
somehow there on the wavelength.
Oh, the plane's back. And it's going... What?
We're interfering with each other. It's okay. It happens.
Victor. Well, Victor.
plane!
Victor brought the plane in, and it's going crazy.
Well, the plane's going to another it just disappeared into the fourth dimension. That's great. Oh, it's back. Whoa!
Yeah.
What is going on? If I go near it, it just disappears.
By the way, guys, which
Like my dad.
Oculus?
Oh my
which,
god!
Meta Horizon are you on? Do you know?
PatchWorld, Jesus! You didn't have to do it like that. You didn't have to do him dirty like that. You did
Did
yourself
we break
dirty.
the game again?
Did it? It looks very broken to me as also. But
I
somehow.
remember how me and Todd like first met. I think it was with Jim.
Are you stuck, Victor?
Yeah, me and Todd met with Jim. Like he left.
Something weird.
Yeah, there was like a map
I
called
see
Ghost
also
2.
Todd here somehow.
I was
Todd, I
requesting
see you
to be in
here,
it.
Todd.
I'm here.
And
I see you laying here.
Hey, yo,
But
yo,
also
yo, yo, yo.
I see you two
Come
times.
on him.
One time I
Okay,
see
now
you lay
do
here.
like this, pinta position.
Why are you laying like that?
Okay, you need to be like.
You see
okay?
me what?
Okay.
What
I
did you say?
see-
You saw me what?
I see you, your avatar, just thrown here.
well,
And then I see you again, so twice. The
Wait,
avatar
maybe you are
just
doing it wrong. Maybe you
laying
are
here.
doing it wrong. Wait, don't.
no.
Touch this.
I followed that example.
Should I be warning him?
giant?
Avatar
I'll warn
is
you. I will warn you.
He's like,
Oh no. It's okay.
he is the sheriff star and
Again,
everything.
hey,
Somebody
hey,
shot the sheriff,
hey,
it looks
again,
like.
again.
PatchWorld
Exactly like
But they
this,
did not
exactly
shoot the
like
deputy.
this. Like this, okay? Like this.
Ching.
Okay? More down. Go more down. Are you in play mode? Go to play mode.
Okay.
Hey, Victor. You still here?
Hide.
You see him? I don't see him.
There is no plane.
Well, there's a plane here for me.
Yeah, the
And I'm
plane.
gonna erase it.
Whoa, what's
And then, but I see.
what's happening over there? I see Leonardo
I see a
riding
version.
some. Leonardo was riding some dragon over there.
Leonardo's been over here the entire time.
He's just on his own wavelength. This guy.
Are you there?
What you making over here?
That's the other plane, but the body's gone.
Oh, I just erased it because I thought that was that.
I went into my boat world there, and that's the water plane. But
Oh, it went on
Oh,
without me. Went on
nice.
without me. Okay, guys, see you next week. I'm gonna end the
Dude.
video right now.
Oh my God! No! Oh my God! So Squanchy,
What?
is PatchWorld real or is it in my mind?
Why is everything rotated?
Is it real?
What is going on?
Can you see what I'm seeing?
I see very.
Leonardo, can we see this world together?
Can you touch it?
Is this imagination or is this?
If you think it, it's
live
real. If you think it, it's real.
Okay.
But I'm not the one with
Well-
the answers. I just spit out words.
I'm glad I'm here with you, here at the end of all things.
Whoa. Getting biblical.
Yeah. Well, that's just Lord of the Rings.
Meta biblical. What
Which
is
is the
this?
same
What is this
thing.
ground?
I don't know. I think it's your. I think it's your button.
Okay. The video
Oh,
is
is it a
over
flat
1
one?
hour long, so bye, guys. I'm ending it.
Bye.
Well, welcome to PatchWorld.
The ending.
I think it's funny because it's like it's smart for you to be out here because you
See you
can't hear
next week.
because of the